is Andrew, Fish in Fresno, and today, for our first video, not the first fishing trip of 2020, I am out at Hensley Lake. And yes, this is not the first fishing trip. I tried a couple other times, once going out, actually I think both times were out at the Kings River, and both times I came back with zip, unfortunately. But so today I'm at Hensley Lake, going for catfish, but who knows, maybe I can pull out a bass or something. And to show you where I'm at, here is the map. Okay, so this is where we are at, Hensley Lake. I'm up near the recreation area, which is right here. It has boat ramp, swimming beach, and I'm actually going to be fishing down here just past the swimming beach. This is where I believe I am at. I've been here several times, mainly for catfish. Well, pretty much all the time for catfish. I haven't had any luck really with bass, except for a few small ones. But yeah, this is where I'm going to be at. So, you know, here's what it looks like. I don't know if this is an accurate satellite image. I can tell you the water right now is pretty low, but yeah, I'd say this is about what it looks like for the moment. So I like fishing this area too sometimes, but since it's so low, we're not going to bother. So yeah, we'll just be pretty much fishing right about here, I believe it is. So yeah, this is where we're at. Now, I have heard that they plant trout here, and looking it up, it looks like they are planting sometime this week. I don't know what actual day they're planting trout, but I don't know, maybe I'll go up this weekend or something again to try for some trout. Who knows, that would be pretty fun. Never fished for trout here. So alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, so there you go. So all I'm pretty much doing is we're just letting bait soak today, and I'm using both mackerel and chicken liver. I do seem to get my best luck on mackerel though. That's always what I've caught my biggest catfish on, is mackerel. So that's what I prefer to use. Later on I will also try a little bit of drop shotting for some bass. So as you can see, we're already into it. I just got a small nibbles on some mackerel. My other rod that's set up right there is chicken liver, and we are getting things organized for the rest of the day and the night. So let's get to it. No, wait. No, I don't got him.
Just the bait.
Yeah, just the bait.
Filming.
Yep. My first fish of 2020. Little tiny largemouth bass on a drop shot using a purple robo worm.
Heck.
At least it's something, right?
Yeah.
So we've been out here at Hensley Lake for about what, an hour and a half now. So yeah, come over, turn around. So, and so far just this one small bass, but hey, that's something, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Splash me! He splashed me in the face.
Got it. Alright, we're finally actually hooked into one. Vash has him. Vash is fighting him. Hey, keep bringing him in. Keep bringing him in. There he is. There you go. Whoa.
Oh, catfish. I'll turn catfish.
Look at that. He's a fatty.
He is actually.
Bit of a fatty right there.
Bit of a fatty.
Nice. Good job, Ash. Here, hold it up. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. So there's our first catfish. He's a small one though. So we're gonna
release him.
Sorry, I thought I heard the bell. Yeah, we're gonna lift him up higher. Lift him up a little higher. So we can see him. There you go. So there we are. Vash's first catfish of the night. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna
release this a little
let him
bit.
out. Let him go. Don't fight him too hard. Move away. Try to move away from this rock.
Right here.
All right, there you are. He's pulling that rod.
I know.
All right, it's all right.
That's why I'm letting him get tired.
Yeah, play him a little bit. All right, we caught something big. Well, I'm hoping it's big. He's fighting it pretty good.
Oh,
He got off?
No. Oh.
No!
No.
Man!
No.
Oh well, we lost one. We lost a good one too. Yeah, next time I'm doing it. Oh man! Alright, well that's going to be about it for this video. I'd like to thank everyone who has subscribed since my last video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully, if you haven't subscribed, you have subscribed now. Also, consider following me on both Twitter and Instagram at @FishinFresno. And for just a few pictures of my fishing adventures. Hopefully, I'll have more stuff posted soon. I'm also hopefully going to be gathering stuff together so I can do a giveaway soon once I get to 500 subscribers, which I'm steadily getting to. So hopefully that'll be coming along soon. So
crazy.
For this trip, total of 3 catfish and 1 bass and 1 big one that got away. So
one, Vash.
everyone take it easy. I'll see you next time.
Right?